everybody, it's Dr. Peirson. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about Sofwave. I've talked about Sofwave before, but I wanted to give you a little bit more details maybe than I have in the past. Sofwave, for any of you that doesn't know, is what's called high frequency ultrasound, and it's used for skin tightening. RF, radio frequency, is another modality that's used for skin tightening, but ultrasound is quite powerful as a skin tightening tool. One of the advantages of Sofwave, and this is a big advantage, is that there's no downtime to speak of after treatment. This is truly a lunchtime treatment. And Sofwave is the newest iteration of ultrasound technology, and a lot of things were improved when this was brought to market in terms of effectiveness, tolerance of treatment, quickness of treatment, all the areas of the body that can be treated. So there's lots and lots of advantages to Sofwave. One of the big advantages is that the handpiece is quite big. So this is the treatment handpiece. And so when we treat, we can cover this much area of skin side by side by side. Over time, and this is one of the things I wanted to specifically mention in this video, is we've learned more and more about how to optimize this treatment. So Sofwave can be targeted to very specific areas of the face. And most commonly what people come in to the clinic and say is, can you do this? And so treating the lower face, the jawline, usually involves treating along the jawline, sometimes under the neck, sometimes at the top of the cheek, because what we're trying to do is affect tightening of the skin in this area. So with Sofwave now, we have something called treat to total energy, which allows us to really target. It also allows us to base that on whether the laxity in the skin is mild, moderate, or severe. So highly customizable treatment. The other thing I just want to briefly mention is Sofwave can be used on the body. Common areas to treat on the body include the abdomen, the inner arms, and the top of the knees. These are common areas where people notice laxity as they age. And so Sofwave is an excellent option for treating areas of the body. Of course, we can treat the neck as well and the décolletage. We can even just treat the forehead alone to do a brow lift. So if you're thinking about skin tightening, consider Sofwave and come on in for a consult, and we'd be very happy to let you know more about this important and advanced treatment.